Welcome to your spring cleaning guide. Together, we will be going room by room to declutter, organize, and thoroughly cleanse your home. From the heart of your home, the living room, to the kitchen, bedroom, and even the outdoor areas, like the garage, patio, and garden, we'll leave no stone unturned. We'll also explore cleaning products, provide tips for maintaining cleanliness throughout the year, and help you decide what stays and what goes, transforming your living space into a sparkling oasis. So let's roll up our sleeves and first, tackle clutter in each room. Assess the necessity of each item, firmly deciding what to keep and what to discard. Organize items into categories and allot specific storage spaces. Donate or discard purposeless items in good condition for an improved home atmosphere. Next, ensure to dust and wipe down every surface. It is essential not just for aesthetics, but for your personal wellness as well. Be thorough in cleaning all areas, whether open or hidden, using the right tools and cleansers. This routine not only purifies your space from allergens and pollutants, but also rejuvenates it. Don't forget the floors. Ensure to vacuum and mop. It's more than just cleaning. It's a way to maintain your living environment and revamp the aesthetics of your home. Remember to vacuum carpets and rugs thoroughly, especially under furniture, and mop all areas on hard floors. Invite that beautiful spring light into your home by giving your windows and mirrors a good clean. This simple act will not only brighten your interiors, but also lend a vibrant and refreshing ambiance. Remember, it's the small actions that transform your home's atmosphere. The kitchen and bathroom require special attention. This includes thorough cleansing of cabinets, appliances, and countertops to boost visual appeal, maintain health standards, and ensure longevity. Remember, it's not only about aesthetics, but creating a safe, sanitary environment. Deep cleaning is vital for these crucial spaces in our homes. Finally, remember to maintain your linens and air quality. Clean bedding and air filters significantly contribute to your comfort and health. Ensure sheets, pillowcases, and duvet covers are washed, and curtains and upholstered furniture are cleaned. These small steps can make a big difference to your living environment. Spring cleaning transcends physical decluttering, focusing on creating tranquil and efficient surroundings. Address any maintenance issues promptly and keep detectors in check. Revel in the comfort of your refreshed home post professional services like carpet cleaning or HVAC maintenance. Enjoy your rejuvenated living space.